welcome to Kiddo Kids. So today is a wonderful day. It's Tuesday. I hope everyone's enjoying their school days and all now, and most of them's exam must have been started. So now all your worries have to go, and welcome to Kiddo Kids. So aren't you all happy about that? Aren't you all happy that your school opened also, and your exams are already going to start? Aren't you so excited for them and all? And I hope you all are prepared for everything. What all is going to be in your school. So I hope everyone is happy. So today, what's our topic? What's our topic? I'll give you a clue. You're walking down the road. Suddenly, instead of the footpath, you walk down the road, and suddenly a car was about to come to crush you. Your family, who was walking behind you, saw this and said you always should be safe. So safe. They said you have to be safe. So our topic is going to be about safety. Our topic is going to be about safety. So I hope you all will enjoy this topic. Okay. So when I say safety, I will say lots of safety things, like safety in the school, safety in the road, safety in the park, and safety in the house. I'll say these kinds of safety where you have to do. But before we move on to topics, let's move on to callers. So hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Puneet. Puneet.
Hi Puneet.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, so Puneet, which grade are you studying in?
Fifth. Fifth.
Okay, so did your school start?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when is your exam going to start?
Exam this Thursday. This Thursday.
Oh, this Thursday. Okay. So Puneet, let's play a game.
Okay.
Okay, so which game do you want to play, Puneet?
Atlas.
Atlas? I don't think so we have.
Tongue twister.
Tongue twister? Okay. So, tongue twister is like, I will tell you one type of tricky type, one type of sentence, okay? Okay, like a tricky type, and then you have to say it 3 times.
Okay.
Okay, so the sixth sick Shaggy's sheep was sick.
What?
The sixth sick Shaggy's sheep was sick.
The sixth Shaggy's sheep was sick. The sixth Shaggy's sheep was sick. The sixth Shaggy's sheep was sick.
Wow! That was wonderful, Puneet. You said everything so nicely. Okay, by the way, Puneet, thanks for calling me. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So, as Puneet called, you all can also call me in the number 055961133. Okay, so let's move on back to our topic. So, I was talking about safety, right? So, before this and all, we have another caller. Let's go to that. Yes. So, hello. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Farhana.
Farhana, hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Your school started, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so when is the exam going to start then?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. So, Farhana, do you want to sing a song for me, or a poem or a rhyme?
Song?
Any song or poem or any rhyme?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, no problem, Farhana. Next time when you're calling, we have to sing, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Farhana, let's play a game?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started. So, which game do you want to play?
Sentence?
Sentence making.
Yeah.
Okay, so your word is family. Family.
Say
5 sentences with it.
How much sentence?
5.
I have a big family. I love my family very much.
3 more.
They take care. I obey my family.
Okay, that's a nice one.
I am friendly with my family.
Okay, now last one.
I respect my family.
Okay, you have completed your task. Wow, I really like this sentence as you said that obeying one, right?
Yeah.
That was very nice. I really like that sentence. So, by the way, Parana, thanks for calling me. I hope you call me next time. Bye. Okay, so now let's move on back to our topic. We already had 2 smart callers. So now let's see if we have our 3rd caller, okay? But still we wait, let's talk about the topic also. So our topic is safety. So first let us talk about the safety at home. Home, I guess everyone have home. The home is the one which protects us from bad weather and all, right? So we all must have a home. Different kinds of home we must have. So keep your house clean, and you have to be safe in your house, right? So if you have to be safe in your house, what all you should not do? See, if you are playing cricket and football and suddenly when you are going out to play it's raining, and please do not come inside the house and play it. Okay, then it will block out the glass and suddenly you can come and stamp that Windows glass and you will get hurt. So that's one thing which you have to not do. Before I move on to other stuff, let's go to our 3rd caller. So hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Shisana.
Hi Disana.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, so which grade are you studying in, Disana?
I am studying in 7th grade.
7th grade. Okay. So Disana, can you sing a song, poem or any rhyme?
Okay.
Okay.
Only a few lines, okay?
Okay, only 3 lines.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That's how I knew you gone. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you gone. That's it.
Wow! Isn't the song from the movie Titanic?
Yes.
Okay, I really like this song. You sang it very well. Even from the movie, if you compare with your voice is very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's play a game, Jisana.
Okay.
So which game do you want to play?
Tongue twister game.
Tongue twisters?
Yes.
Okay. So long-legged ladies last longer.
I didn't hear it well.
Long-legged lady lasts longer. Say 3 times.
Long-legged lady laughed longer.
Ah.
Long-legged lady laughed longer. Long-legged lady laughed longer.
Wow! That is wonderful, Jisana. You said 3 of them correctly. Okay, so Jisana, did your school open?
Yes.
So, do you like your school or you hate your school?
I love my school.
Okay, so you got new friends and new teachers?
Yes.
So, which is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Kochirani ma'am.
Huh?
Kochirani ma'am.
Kochirani ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so go tell to Kochirani ma'am that you was in TV and all, okay?
Okay.
Okay, by the way, thanks for calling me, Jisana. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now our third caller is already gone. So now we are again going to wait for another caller. So still the time, let's say a topic. So first, safety at home. We should not play outdoor games inside our houses. It's very dangerous. And in our house, after like you're going to see, it's like you're going to eat your food. You're going to eat your food. Okay, so your mother says before you eat your food, go wash your hands. Okay. So then you went to wash your hands. So when you're coming back, you saw that one of your plug is putting down, and your sister is like trying to put it back. So then with your wet hands, please do not go take that plug and put it here and there and like attach it. No playing with plugs, not playing with electricity things and all with wet hands. Okay, you can get a very big shock. Okay, that's the second point which you have to not do. It's not very safe. Then in your house, your mother went out, so you thought you'll help your mother while cutting the vegetables. You're cutting your vegetables. You're sitting and cutting vegetables. You're watching TV. Suddenly you cut your finger. What happens? You're not safe that time, right? You'll get hurt. Mommy is not there. Mommy went out. So what will you do? You can't do anything, right? So then you'll get really very badly this hurt. So you think that why did I do, right? So that also you have to not do. You have to not play with sharp objects. Okay. Then never push anyone whoever comes in your house. Never push them, run, jump on them and all. They can get hurt and you will be in big trouble. Okay. So now the house safety is over. Let's move on to your class safety. That's the thing which everyone will know, I guess, because you all are studying in schools and you're having different classes, right? So you might have done little naughty things and all, right? Yes, you have done. So then we'll talk about class safety. So in class, some children and all will be like playing with pencils and all, and then suddenly you poke one of your friend's eye. What will happen? He'll get hurt, he'll go complain to ma'am, and you will be in danger. And sometimes you can also poke your own eye with your pencil or something like scissors or anything with these sharp objects. So you will also get hurt, right? You can't do anything for that. If you tell ma'am, it won't like disappear. Your ma'am can't do any magic and make it disappear, right? No, but only if you were careful with it and you have not used that, you could have not get hurt, right? And you don't have to cry and everything, right? So that's the first part. Before I move on to other stuffs and all, let's go to your caller, which is the fourth one. Yes. So hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Aslina.
Hi, Aksina.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Which grade are you studying in, Aksina?
Huh?
Which grade are you studying in?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
Which grade are you studying in?
7th.
7th.
Yeah.
Okay, so by the way, Aksina, you're my fourth caller.
Wow.
Yeah, you're my fourth caller. Okay, so Aksina, do you want to play a game?
Yeah.
So which game?
Bus.
Bus?
Yeah.
Okay, first you start then.
1,
2,
3,
4,
bus.
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12. Wait,
13.
wait, I said 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm out. Oh my gosh, it's not fair. Every time if I play with bus with experienced people and all, I'll every time lose. Okay, so Aksina, by the way, I enjoyed playing with you, but not that much because I became out.
Hello.
Okay, so Aksina, do you want to sing a song for me? A poem or a rhyme also?
Song.
You want a poem or a rhyme?
don't know.
Okay, you don't know. No problem, Hasina. Next time, if you're calling me, you have to sing a song for me, okay?
Okay.
And learn it very beautiful. Okay?
Okay.
So, by the way, Hasina, thanks for calling me. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Hasina who called us, and as I said, every time when someone plays with me, but I always become out. That's not fair, right? Yeah. So now let us move on to our fifth caller. Yes. So let's see who will that be. So hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Nimra.
Huh?
Nimra Riyaz.
I didn't hear you.
Nimra Riyaz.
Minral.
Nimra Riyaz.
Okay, so hi Minral.
Fine.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, so Minral, do you want to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, so which game do you want to play?
Sentence.
Sentence making? Okay, so your sentence word is, you have to pick 5 of them, okay?
Okay.
A vehicle.
Vehicle.
Yeah.
In my home there are one vehicle.
Okay. 4 more.
It is Hyundai Verna.
Huh?
It is white in color.
Okay, so another one. Now 3 more.
I like to drive that vehicle.
Okay, now another 2 more.
I like to go to any places in that vehicle.
Okay, now 1 more.
I love my vehicle very much.
Okay, wow, that was fantastic and fabulous. You did so nicely and well done. So I really liked your sentence, all of them very much. Okay, so by the way, do you wanna sing a song or sing a rhyme or poem to me? Or do you wanna tell an incident?
I will sing a song.
Okay, sing a song.
നിന്നാമിടുങ്ങേ നിന്നും മിടുങ്ങേ എങ്ങോട്ടാണെങ്ങോട്ടാണീ തിടുക്കം നീ തനിച്ചല്ലേ പേടിയാവില്ലേ കൂട്ടിനു ഞാനും വന്നോട്ടെ നിന്നാമിടുങ്ങേ. Okay.
Wow!